Hey, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something.
What?
Look.
What? Oh my God. Are you crazy?
Awesome.
What are you doing? It's
Yes.
fine, dude.
No.
It's
No.
fine.
We're gonna fix your dress. Here, take this. Yes.
New dress.
Yes. Yes. Now squish it.
Oh my God.
Yes, squish it open and put it on the dress. Oh my. Oh, that's beautiful. Put it all over the dress. All over. Yes. Oh, yes. It's working. It's working. Yes. Yes. Tomato has enzymes. No. This tomato has enzymes. It will remove this. Yes. No.
Oh my God.
Awesome. That's great. That's great. Now throw it away. Throw it away. It's done. Good. Now take this. Yes.
Toothpaste?
Yes, toothpaste.
What?
Yes. This toothpaste.
With the toothpaste. Oh my God.
Yeah, this toothpaste has crystals. Oh, yes, that's beautiful. And the crystals will connect in. No. Crystals will connect in and will remove the stain. Just trust me. We're gonna fix the dress. Oh wait. All right. Now,
To the party
here,
and you
here,
put it
take
over my
this.
dress.
awesome. Now put it all over. Yes, that's the other one. And put it on. Yes, put it on.
Works? I don't know.
Just press the button. Oh yes, that's beautiful.
What?
Great, that's fantastic. That is awesome. Great.
It's yours? It
Yeah.
smells like you.
Now
Oh my
smoosh it
God.
over.
Oh my
Now
God.
smoosh the toothpaste over. Oh yes, yes, that's beautiful. Great. Oh yes, that's beautiful. That's great. All right.
I know where she bought the dress. I will give you the link. Okay?
All right. Now take this. Do you know what it?
Powder.
Yes, that's baby powder, and put it all over. No. Oh yes. It's working. Awesome. Yes. Put it on.
I'm sorry for you.
All right. Yes. Now
Still here.
throw it away. Now here. Take this. Yes.
What?
Take. Yes. That's the last step, and put it all over. Yeah. Oh. Yes. All right.
Now,
That's working.
right
That's
now,
working.
I am
That's
like,
working.
What is going on?
All right. Yes. Put it all over the
Why?
place.
Why?
Yes. It's gonna work.
Oh my
Cover it all. All over the. Yes. All right.
White dress has to be washed right now.
All right. Now throw it away.
What?